Have you ever wondered why the term atmospheric river is used so much these days? Aren't these the same old West Coast rainstorms we've always had?
It's true, major rainstorms have always occurred, especially along the West Coast, but they're getting stronger, more frequent, and more destructive.
We're experiencing climate change, and certainly that is affecting the number of atmospheric rivers, particularly in Northeast Pacific Ocean. There's been a 20% increase from 1979 to 2016.
Scientists first noticed these systems in the 1990s when their impact started getting worse. They created the name atmospheric river to describe their very unique characteristics. They are literally giant rivers of water vapor in the sky.
About 90% of extreme precipitation events are associated with atmospheric rivers.
At roughly 500 kilometers wide and more than 1,500 kilometers long, they can move more water than the Amazon River. Their job is to balance the global water cycle by transporting moisture from the tropics to higher latitudes. Atmospheric rivers that originate near Hawaii are called the Pineapple Express. But scientists rarely use that name because it's location-specific. Atmospheric rivers come from many parts of the tropics. Most are beneficial. They provide drought relief, replenish water supplies, and add valuable snow to the mountains. But a growing number are becoming hazardous.
The atmosphere is a bit of a sponge. The warmer it is, the more moisture it can hold.
And the more rain it can unload over an area. A NASA-led study found atmospheric rivers will be up to 25% bigger and will carry up to 50% more water by the end of the 21st century. But it's not just the size and frequency of these systems that is changing. Some scientists have found they're getting warmer.
And so we see higher and higher snow levels. More and more of that precipitation in places like coastal British Columbia then falls as liquid rain rather than as snow. And the consequence then is that the runoff is immediate,
leading to a higher risk of flooding.
Quite often you'll have a family of atmospheric rivers coming back to back. And that's exactly what happened in mid-November 2021. That's why the impact was so high.
A study by Environment and Climate Change Canada on BC's 2021 atmospheric river event showed that in the current climate, weather events of this magnitude are estimated to be 1 in every 10 years.
So as the number of atmospheric river disasters grow, it's really no wonder why the term is being used so much these days. Kristi Gordon, Global News.